We need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. Now, what we'll do here, we are going to use a formula to expand the second and the third term. We know that if we have tangent of A plus or minus B, then this can be expanded to get tangent of A plus or minus tangent of B divided by 1 minus plus the product tangent of A times tangent of B. Fine. So let's use this to expand the second and the third term. So our first term is going to be tangent of x. That will be added to, so we will take tangent of 60 degree. So here we have 60 degree added to x. So we're going to use tangent of 60 plus tangent of x divided by 1 minus tangent of 60 degrees times tangent of x. Then we come to the third term, so we'll expand it to get tangent of 60 degrees minus tangent of angle x whole divided by 1 plus tangent of 60 degrees times tangent of x. So this will be tangent of x added to. Now tangent of 60 degree, that's square root of 3. That's a standard value. So we have square root of 3 added to tangent of x divided by 1 minus square root of 3 multiplied to tangent of x. Then we have in the third term square root of 3 minus tangent of x whole divided by 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent of x. Now we will be combining the second and the third term. So that gives us tangent of x added to. Now we have the denominator 1 minus square root of 3 times tangent of x multiplied to 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent of x. So in the numerator we have square root of 3 added to tangent of x. This will get multiplied with the denominator of the third term. So that's 1 plus square root of 3 times tangent of x minus, we take the numerator of the third term, that's square root of 3 minus tangent of x, and this gets multiplied to the denominator of the second term. So that's 1 minus square root of 3 times tangent of x. Fine. Now we will further simplify. We will get tangent of x added to, let's distribute. We have square root of 3 added to. So square root of 3 times square root of 3, that will become 3. So we have 3 times tangent of x plus tangent of x times 1. So that's tangent of x added to. So we get square root of 3 multiplied to tangent squared x minus. So here we have square root of 3 times 1. So that's negative square root of 3. Square root of 3 minus negative square root of 3 tangent of x. And we also have a negative sign here. So we're going to get positive 3 tangent of x. Then we have negative tangent of x times 1. And since we already have a negative sign, we're going to get positive tangent of x. And then we have negative tangent of x multiplied to negative square root of 3 tangent of x. That will give us positive square root of 3 tangent squared x. And because of this negative sign, we'll get negative square root of 3 tangent squared whole divided by, now in the denominator, this is the denominator. The product is nothing but the difference of 2 squared. So we have 1 squared minus square root of 3 times tangent of x whole squared. Now let's compute the numerator portion. So square root of 3 and negative square root of 3 gets cancelled out. We have positive square root of 3 tangent squared x, that also gets cancelled out. And now we are left with, in the numerator, so we have tangent of x plus, in the numerator we have 3 plus tangent of x. So that's going to be 4. 4 plus 3, that's 7. 7 plus 8, so we have 8 times tangent of x in the numerator. Divided by, in the denominator, we have 1 minus 3 times tangent squared x. Now we'll finally combine the two terms. So we get 1 minus 3 times tangent squared x. And the first term in the numerator will be tangent of x multiplied to 1 minus 3 tangent squared x. So that gives us tangent of x minus 3 times tangent cubed x added to 8 times tangent of x. So we have 9 tangent of x minus 3 multiplied to tangent squared x whole divided by 1 minus 3 times tangent squared x. So let's take 3 as the common factor in the numerator. So we have 3 times 3 tangent of x minus tangent squared x divided by 1 minus 3 tangent squared x. Now we have a standard formula. So here we have 3 multiplied to tangent of 3x. So tangent of 3x, that expands to give us 3 tangent of x minus tangent squared x over 1 minus 3 tangent squared x. This is going to be the final value of our given expression, tangent of x plus tangent of 60 degree plus x minus tangent of 60 degree minus x. That amounts to 3 times tangent of 3x.